Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at the Packbrake Alpha HD Pro airbag suspension kit for your rear axle. It has a 5,000 pound load leveling capacity. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2009 and newer Dodge Ram 1500 trucks, both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. Also fits the 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 classic trucks, also two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. One note I do want to mention is it will not fit the TRX models, the RHO models, or vehicles with factory air suspension. And on a custom fit part like this, I do like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now, when the load gets heavy, your truck's going to need more than just rear springs hanging on for dear life. These Alpha HD Pro air springs are going to add up to 5,000 pounds of rear axle support, keeping your Dodge Ram level, steady, and confident even when the trailer's loaded, the bed is packed, and the miles are long. There's no more rear end sag throwing off your braking and steering or your headlights pointing into the sky. With the airbag support underneath, you're going to keep control of your ride, your cargo, and your peace of mind even when you're towing a travel trailer or moving a serious payload. It does include, this kit includes everything shown here on the table. It includes the air springs for the rear axle, both the upper and lower roll plates, all the precision laser cut powder coated steel mounting brackets, all the grade 5 plated hardware. It does include the airlines with the inflation valves, the push to connect fittings, which we've already just installed onto here. You can see them at the bottom on each spring, they have them. And that's where your airlines will connect to the springs. And it comes with a nice set of installation instructions that'll show how everything's put together. Now, bottoming out doesn't just feel rough. It could wreck your airbags. That's why this HD Pro system includes the jounce bumpers on the inside of each bag. So even if you have no air pressure on them, your suspension has a built-in safety net. You can safely run at 0 PSI when you're unloaded, which means no harsh rebound, just a nice smooth factory style ride. And if you're heading to work with an empty bed or cruising home after dropping the trailer, your truck stays comfortable, controlled, and ready to haul again with just a quick bump in the pressure. Now also every haul is different. That's why these Alpha HD Pro air springs will give you full control over ride height, firmness, with adjustable air pressure from 5 to 100 PSI. So if you're hauling a fifth wheel or a full bed of gravel, just crank up the pressure. If you're unloaded, heading home, drop it back down for a nice softer ride. And with the manual inflation valves included, tuning your suspension for the day's work is pretty straightforward. Now, heavy hauling does demand extreme durability. I did want to zoom in onto the springs just to show you. These Alpha HD springs are built with 1-inch thick corrosion-resistant end caps on each spring. And then they're reinforced with 20 internal support wires for maximum strength under load. The roll plates we mentioned, upper plates, lower plates, these are heavy duty roll plates. They'll protect the bags from any chafing and help extend the lifespan of the bags. And the powder coated steel mounting brackets will fight back against any rust or road salt. Now those precision laser cut mounting brackets are designed to bolt cleanly to your truck's existing mounting points without any welding or drilling your frame. And it's just smart engineering that fits the way it should, which is perfect for the do-it-yourselfer. The manual valves right here will mount through your license plate fastener holes or a location of your choosing. So with the high quality fittings, the pre-bent brackets, and the mounting hardware included, you'll be back on the road with a stronger, steadier truck in just a few hours without a trip to any shop. Now, as we mentioned, you can manually inflate these with your standard air valves right out of the box, no extra parts needed. Now, if you already have an onboard compressor, this Alpha HD system will connect easily to most existing setups. Or if you're planning for an in-cab wireless controller down the road, it's no problem. The foundation's already built in, making it easy to expand your control options when you're ready. One note I do want to mention, these air springs will not increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity, so you do want to make sure not to exceed the manufacturer's recommended weight limit. But that's going to do it for a look at the Packbrake Alpha HD Pro airbag suspension kit for your rear axle.